Every day we wake up and live like we have all the time in the world. But what if we didn't? What if today was the last time you ever saw the sky, or heard someone laugh, or hugged someone you love? To the Stoics, this wasn't a thought experiment. It was a daily ritual, a practice they believed could sharpen the mind, purify the soul, and lead to true freedom. It's called memento mori, the art of remembering that you will die, and it just might be the most powerful mindset shift you will ever experience. Memento mori, latent from remember you must die, wasn't meant to scare, it was meant to wake you up. It's not about death, it's about how to live. The Stoic philosophers, people like Marcus Aurelius, Epictetus, and Seneca, believed that reflecting on death daily would strip away the superficial and force you to focus on what really matters. When you live with death on your shoulders, you stop arguing over things that won't matter in a week. You stop waiting to be happy. You start. Modern life is full of distractions, notifications, endless to do lists, shiny goals. We run in circles, constantly busy, but often disconnected from why we are doing any of it. Seneca wrote, "You act like mortals in all that you fear, and like immortals in all that you desire." In other words, we are scared of things that might never happen, and yet we live like we will never die. Memento mori is a call to urgency, not panic, but presence. When you reflect on your mortality, ego fades, small problems shrink. Suddenly, being stuck in traffic isn't worth the stress. A missed opportunity doesn't mean your life is over. You stop measuring your life by what you have accumulated and start measuring it by what you have contributed, who you have loved, how deeply you have felt. You begin to live with intention because you realize time is your most precious currency and it's disappearing every second. So, how do you actually apply this ancient philosophy to your modern life? As soon as you wake up, whisper to yourself, "This could be my last day. How will I live it?" Let that guide every decision. It sounds simple, but it's life changing. Ancient Romans carried coins with skulls and the words memento mori engraved on them. You don't need a coin. It could be a bracelet, a tattoo, or a note on your mirror. Let it interrupt your autopilot. Before bed, ask, "If I died tonight, would I be proud of how I lived today?" If the answer is no, what would you change tomorrow? This reflection breeds growth faster than any productivity hack. Ask yourself, if I only had 1 year to live, would I still be doing this? If not, why are you doing it now? This doesn't mean you quit your job or abandon responsibilities, but it forces you to align your life with your values. Most people don't live, they exist. They wait for the perfect moment, the right job, the next vacation. They wait for happiness as if it's on the other side of someday. But the Stoics knew the truth. Life isn't promised, and that's not something to fear, that's something to use. Memento Mori reminds us that life's brevity is what makes it beautiful. Like a sunset, it's precious, but it ends. So ask yourself, what are you waiting for? What would change if you started living like your time is limited? Because it is. You don't need more time, you need more presence, and that Stoics gave us the key. Memento Mori, remember you must die, so you can finally remember to live.